Have you ever felt as though the world moves too fast and you are just struggling to keep up? Perhaps it feels like your worth is tied to how much you do, how well you perform, or how others view you. Maybe despite all your efforts, there is still this quiet voice whispering, "You are not enough." It weighs you down, doesn't it? But you are here now, and I want you to know you are enough. You always have been. What if instead of battling that voice, you could nurture a relationship with yourself built on love, compassion, and acceptance? Today, we are going to take a powerful step on that journey together. This guided love and kindness meditation is your training, your tool to overcome the weight of self criticism and cultivate a heart brimming with self love. Together, we'll embark on a journey that begins with healing how you see yourself and extend outward, connecting you with others through compassion. Once you discover this inner calm, you will notice it spilling into every part of your life, your energy, your relationships, and your purpose. Today, you step into the role of the hero. As we begin, take a moment to find a comfortable position. Sit gently with your back straight but not rigid. Rest your hands lightly on your knees or in your lap. If you are able, close your eyes. Take a moment now to shift your focus inward. Feel your body beginning to relax as you let go of the tension you might not have even noticed before. Take a deep breath in through your nose and let it out slowly through your mouth. Again, that deep breath in and a gentle exhale. With every breath out, release the weight of expectations, judgments, or any lingering thoughts. You don't need to be anywhere else. You don't need to do anything else. You have already done something remarkable by choosing to be here with yourself in this moment. Now, I want you to shift your attention to the center of your chest, the area around your heart. Imagine a warm, golden light glowing there. It begins as a small flicker, soft, gentle, almost hesitant. But as you focus on it, it begins to grow. This is the light of your love, kindness, and compassion. It is your gift to yourself, waiting to be embraced. Let it grow brighter, filling your entire chest, spreading warmth through your every breath. As you breathe into this warmth, silently repeat these affirmations to yourself. May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be safe. May I be at peace. Again, let's say this together. May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be safe. May I be at peace. Allow these words to sink in. Imagine them soaking into every corner of your being. They are a promise to yourself. They are a reminder that you deserve kindness, your own kindness, just as much as anyone else does. Now, hold on to this golden light. Feel its warmth, its strength. Take a moment to think of someone you care deeply about. Picture them in your mind's eye. Visualize this light radiating from your heart and reaching out to them, wrapping them in a loving embrace. Silently repeat, may you be happy, may you be healthy, may you be safe, may you be at peace. Next, expand that light further. Bring to mind someone neutral, perhaps a stranger you saw earlier today. It could even be someone you pass by daily, hardly noticing. Let your golden light reach them too, sharing these same words of love and kindness. May you be happy, may you be healthy, may you be safe, may you be at peace. Finally, invite into your mind someone you have struggled with, someone who challenges you, frustrates you, or causes you pain. This can be the hardest part, so just hold on to your golden light. Imagine it softening your emotions. Offer the same compassion to them, because even in conflict, they too seek happiness and peace. Silently repeat, may you be happy, may you be healthy, may you be safe, may you be at peace. Slowly bring your focus back to your own heart. Feel the golden light resting within you, steady and alive. Let it remind you that this love and kindness is always with you. It's not something you need to earn or strive for. It is always within, waiting to be nurtured. Take a deep breath and feel gratitude for the energy you created today. Energy that starts with you and ripples outward. When you are ready, gently bring yourself back to this moment. Wiggle your fingers, open your eyes, and know that you have just taken an incredible step forward, not just for yourself, but for everyone you meet moving forward. What you have done today is an act of courage. It's not always easy to turn toward yourself with love, but every time you come back to practices like this, you will find that self-love and compassion become second nature. And as compassion flows inward, it naturally extends outward, weaving more peace into your relationships, your environment, and your daily life. If you are ready to continue cultivating a life of calm, clarity, and purpose, I recommend starting your day with mindfulness. I've created a 10-minute guided morning meditation designed to help you focus and set the tone for your day. Check the link in the description to begin your mornings with intention. Thank you for joining me today. Take this light with you and remember, healing and growth are not only possible for you, they are your birthright. Until next time, be kind to yourself and to others.